I'm Daryl. I'm a shelter specialist here at Allshelter. What type of doors can I add to my structure? There's many different types of doors can be added to your structure. It all depends a little bit on which structure you have. Allshelter have two different ranges of shelters. Some are available with doors and some are not. You can add in bifold doors, barn doors, PA doors, sliding doors, roller doors, you name it. Barn doors we would only recommend for smaller sized doors, as these can become a hazard when caught with the wind. For larger type of doors, we'd recommend bifold doors or roller doors. These are a lot safer when it comes to high winds. So if the wind catches the door, it's not likely to shut on a person. Barn door is generally a lot cheaper than a bifold. One of the reasons people would want to have a door is for environmental control. So environmental control could be controlling the wind that's coming into the shelter, or it could be stopping the fumes from welding, cutting, grinding, going out of the shelter so that you can extract them. It also might mean that they don't want to have the wind coming in because they're welding inside and the wind can affect the welding, or it may be to stop rain coming into the structure.